How to book a rental car on Alamo. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to book it. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, we can open up the browser and go ahead and look out for alamo.com, or you can even download the application. I'm going to use the web version for now. And also, if you're using the web, make sure that you are using the official site to avoid any kind of extra fees or scam. After that, we can start at the reservation or booking. So on the home page, we can directly find the section where we can, enter up certain details. So if you want to start your reservation, you need to enter up your rental details. First of all is your location, your current location, your uh, city, airport, or your Alamo branch, etc. Or you can even enter up your postal code, etc., and just go over and confirm it up. And we just need to go over and start by typing in a pickup date, time, location, etc. So tap on pickup date. After that, just go over and set up your pickup date. Once it is done, you can enter up the time as well. And then your return date, you can just go and enter it up. Once you enter up the return date, you can just head over, look out for the driver's age, etc. and your discount codes if you have any, and also you can choose up your vehicle class, etc. as well. Just go and choose it up. Once it is done, you can just go and tap on go or start reservation, and you can choose up your car, economic, compact, SUV, etc. and review your features and select the car that you want. And you can add GPS or navigation system, car seats for children, full name, email, phone number, etc. and confirm every detail. And that way you should be able to book a rental car on Alamo. And that's it, everybody. You may follow this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.